Why should we learn about angles? Hello, young learners! Today we will be exploring the exciting world of angles. Angles are all around us, and understanding them can help you solve problems and create amazing new things. We'll be learning about many different types of angles, how to measure them, and how they can combine to create new types of angles. So let's dive in and discover the fascinating world of angles. Angles can be funny. Angles can be historical. Angles can be practical. Angles can be adventurous. Angles can be powerful. Angles can help us manage time. Angles can be beautiful. Angles can even be helpful. Angles can be supportive too. Angles can be relaxing. Angles can be creative. Origami is the art of folding paper into all sorts of angles. Angles can even win the game. But did you know that there are different types of angles? There are acute angles. These are angles that are more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. We can measure angles by using a cool tool called a protractor. Protractors are super neat because they can measure angles that are facing both left and right. The protractor on the left measures 70 degrees, while the protractor on the right measures 30 degrees. Have you ever noticed that the word acute has the word cute in it? Aren't acute angles cute? He's such a cutie. You're such a cutie. No, you're such a cutie. I'm such a cutie. This was just a sneak peek of my lesson inside Memorable Math. Scan the QR code for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so others can discover these tips and resources too.